Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the blend or splice tool in the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already opened my CapCut PC and I have this video inserted to the timeline. And to easily find the blend, you can just click on your video and here click on the video menu. In here, go to basic and just scroll down in here and you'll easily spot the blend. So to use it, you can just activate or turn it on, and then you can select the mode in here. For example, I'm going to go with overlay, and here you can also adjust the intensity. Just select it as or set it as you like. Okay, so that's a pretty simple tutorial from me. That's how you can find blend or splice on CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.